Hi, and thanks for tuning in. I'm Dr. Melissa, your functional medicine specialist here at Peachtree Health and Rehab. I'm taking the time today to share with you because I want to help you. If you are one of the many people that's suffering from joint pain, stiffness, muscle spasms, just kind of that overall general malaise and achy feeling. Now, if that sounds like you, if these are any of the symptoms that you've suffered from, I want to ask you, do you think this is normal? Is it something that you're just supposed to learn to live with? It's a sign of aging. Well, many of us chalk it up to that. But I'm here today to tell you that this is much more than just signs of aging. Now, yes, it's true that as we age, we tend to put a lot of stress and strain and wear and tear on our bodies, and that will impact our joints. That will create some arthritic changes. But there is much more to the process than that. Did you know, based on lifestyle factors, you can either increase the rate of breakdown in your body or you can reverse it and slow it down. So it's not just something that we chalk up just to the aging process. What you're feeling, those daily, chronic, kind of low-grade aches and pains and stiffness, well, that's something that falls more in the land of, unfortunately, what we're seeing alarming rates of today, which is a condition called inflammation. Now, inflammation, you typically will think of if you sprain your ankle, right? You have a trauma. That's a normal action that does occur in the body. It's a short-term response. It's what it's supposed to be to help the body and aid in the healing process. But what we're all dealing with today, more so than ever before, is chronic inflammation. Now, inflammation comes in many forms versus just an acute trauma. Inflammation comes from the foods that we're eating on a regular basis. It can come from the medications that we're taking. It can come from bacterial, fungal, yeast infections in our body, parasitic infections in our body. It can come from heavy metal exposure. It can come from stress, too much cortisol output. There are many, many ways in which inflammation can occur. But once those fires get burning, man, it's easy to fuel it. And it just takes a little bit just to keep it going and keep it going. And once it starts, it gets bigger and bigger and hotter and hotter. And it becomes a systemic problem. So, if this sounds like you, if you think there might be more going on beneath the surface than you've been told or you've really been able to find out, and you want to know, well, then I want to invite you to come into our office, come to one of our free dinner talks, watch more of my videos online. But we can help you because we specialize here at Peachtree Health in getting to the root cause, not just giving you a Band-Aid, not just doing some therapy or giving you a natural supplement to kind of kiss the boo-boo. We are detectives, and our job is to test, to evaluate you fully, comprehensively as a whole person, to understand what are the sources of your inflammation, how far reaching is this, what level of destruction and breakdown has already occurred, how do we stop it from getting worse, and how do we get you back on the path to recovery, to healing, and to really living a vibrant, healthy, energized, pain-free, fully movable life, because it's possible, and we do it here every day. Now, if this sounds like something that you're interested in, then I want to invite you to call 770-454-8300. Check us out online, peachtreehealthandrehab.com. But don't wait. Your health is the most important thing you have, and without it, well, you have nothing. Without that health, you can't enjoy all those other things in your life. So take the time. We're here to help you if you're ready for the help. I'm Dr. Melissa. Until I see you, stay happy, stay healthy, and live well.